Parvati Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Chaitanya Mahaprabhu said that Jare Dakho Tare Kaha Krishna Bole. So I request you, please follow the Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's instruction that you also, you become a guru at your home. It is not that you have to make a gigantic show of becoming guru. The father has to become guru. The mother has to become guru. Actually, in the Shastra, it is said, one should not become father, one should not become mother if he does not become a guru to his children. Namo chayeta samupeta mrityum. If a person is unable to save his child from the clutches of birth and death, he should not become a father. This is real contraceptive method. Not that have sex like cats and dogs and when the child is there, kill it and abortion. No, that is the greatest sinful activity. Real contraceptive method is that if you are unable to deliver your son from the clutches of birth and death, do not become a father. That is wanted. Pita na sasyad, janani na sasya, guru na sasya, namo chayeja samupeta mrityum. If you cannot save your children from the clutches of birth, this is whole Vedic literature. Punarjanma jayaya. How to conquer over next birth, next material birth. They do not know. Foolish persons, they have forgotten Vedic culture. What is Vedic culture? Vedic culture is to conquer over the next birth, that's all. But they do not believe in the next birth. 99.9% people, they have gone so down from the Vedic culture. In the Bhagavad Gita also, the same philosophy is there. Takta dehanga punarjanma naiti, mameti. This is Vedic culture. Vedic culture means by the evolutionary process we come to this human form of life. Here is the chance of stopping transmigration of the soul from one body to another. Tatha dehantar prapti. And you do not know what kind of body I am going to get next. This body may be Prime Minister or something, and next body may be dog by the laws of nature. Prakita kriyamanani gunai karmani sarvas. Ahankara vimula karta. They do not know. They have forgotten this culture. Misusing this human form of body like animals, eating, sleeping, mating and defending. This is not civilization. The civilization is Punarjanma Jaya. How to conquer our next material birth. That is Krishna consciousness movement. Therefore you are presenting so many literature. It is being accepted all over the world. Learned circle. Take advantage of this movement. We have tried to open our humble attempt to open a center here. So do not be envious upon us. Kindly take mercy upon us. We are our humble attempt and take advantage of it. That is our request. Thank you very much.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna